fly business with our eyes, want to make everything to be in control. That's us, Shenzhen's fly intelligent technology comprehensive. Fly is an enterprise that gives us product research and selection, marketing, and customer service. Our enterprise which focuses on consumer goods, accessories, and HUD content and stuff. Fly is an enterprise which donates innovative practice and devoted to provide intelligent user being with high performance all over the world. Our mission is emissions with source integration and make drone flying smart and simple. Fly located at Shenzhen, a city considered China's Silicon Valley, benefits from Shenzhen direct access to suppliers, raw materials, and young creative talent for sustainable success. Fly own a research and development team full with professional experience of UAV field. Meanwhile, we build our own production line, ensure provide high-quality products and affordable price for consumers. All the products of Fly have got patented at home and abroad. All products of Fly have passed CME, HTC, ROSE, RRTTE, and other related certifications. Our products get high reputation from hobby enthusiasts all over the world. Meanwhile, many latest patents going of Fly are deducted. Do you think what kind of company is trustworthy? We think an enterprise with high-quality products, sincere attitude, and steadfast efforts is not only achievement in others, but also may be more successful by ourselves. This is also the mission that keeps us forward. We sincerely wish through our products more and more people can fly with their dreams and view the wonderful world in different angles. Fly freely in the sky. Make everything to be in your control.
Let's see ratings and reviews.
Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.